I'm gonna make a gutter repair. I think it's a hole in there, a leak of some sort. So what's happening is it's leaking out, getting all over the house. All right, a little bit closer look at this thing. It's I thought it looked like it had a split up here, but what's happening is it's actually leaking out through this seam right here. So what I'm gonna do is just put some of that water weld around it, just to kind of seal it all up really good. Let's give it a shot. All right, I got this water weld here. I've already used it for one project. And so this is a used tube. So I used it for my water heater. If you want to see that video, I had a little water heater connection issue. All right, so I'm just gonna chop a bunch of this off and roll it all up into kind of a long snake so I can wrap it around that gutter joint there. So let's give it a shot here. Yeah, the nice thing about this stuff is that you can roll it up like this to activate it. Smash it together. If I need more, I'll take that piece right there and do the same thing with it. I have a feeling I will. Take this and just mash it into the joint there. I'm definitely gonna need some more. This left side here was the problem area. All right, now I'm just gonna hit it with this Rust-Oleum, some black. You won't even see it. All right, I water tested this puppy, no leaks at all, so it worked. Thank you, Water Weld.